So the stairs were steep getting up here. You got some spots you can just see right outside. I think that's water damage. It's floored. It's cold up here. They wallpapered it and have mortar or plaster or something on the walls. Probably because they were cracking. You have a cracked roof joint right there. Roof sister. Let me look around. You got water damage on the rafters. You can see the nails from the shingles coming through, so that's never good. You got more water damage and that fungus growing over there, which it's not a black mold, but it's a fungus because it grows in damp conditions, which is similar to what's going on under the house in Hampton. But if you were to fix all that, you wouldn't have it anymore. So like with this house, you would have to fix the roof and get rid of the damp issue, then treat the wood, and you would be okay. It's the same process whether it's up or down. And this is, it looks like it was the old original roof right here. So there's been add-ons. Guys, I can't walk back there. I don't want to come through the ceiling.